Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you our rental car for our trip to Banff. This is the Wagoneer, the Jeep Wagoneer L, Air for Long. I got this from Costco Travel, Alamo. This is the interior, guys. This is the interior. This is for your garage. This is for your lights. This is for your trunk. This is for the light. This is for SOS assistant. I've been waiting to make a review of this one, so please bear with me as if I missed something. This is for your panoramic sunroof. This comes with a panoramic sunroof here, and then there's a moonroof there at the back. This is a third row SUV. It doesn't come with the massage seats. This is your cruise control, adaptive cruise control, basic adaptive cruise control. You have your badging here, the Wagoneer. Some Wagoneer, they have the massage seat, but this one comes with a leather seat, which is nice. Vents. Some Wagoneer have like a screen here, but unfortunately this one's a basic. This one is your your hiding stuff, your automatic start for your engine, parking lane assist, your traction control, your parking lights, your parking assist, tow haul, mute. This is your knob. This is a metal, so it's a really nice, you can put it, just twist for park, reverse. It will show your backup camera, neutral, and then drive. So this is your driving modes. You have auto. It's actually in auto right now. You can put it on a sport, auto, snow, sun and mud. Your cup holders, water bottle holders. This one has the huge what do you call this, the storage. There's a small light in here. This doesn't come with the freezer. Nice armrest, storage here with USB-C and USB-A chargers. Your dimming mirrors, or your rear mirror. Your turn signals. Turn left, turn right, auto for your lights. You have your light control lights here for the see here if it's now in auto. That's your, I think your defogger, your high beam. Then these are your control for your lights, for your interior lights, so you can dim it. This is control for your paddles here, so you can adjust for people who are small. You can see there, you can adjust. So I think this is a 10 lumbar support, leather, adjustments here, 10-way lumbar support. It's not a massage seat, it's a regular one. Towing capacity, your front tire, rear tire. This comes with the Alpine sound system. Your mirror controls, side mirror controls, and the lock and unlock. This is the This is the key. Comes with it. Wagoneer. Unlock, lock, remote start, open the hood, the back of the hood, tailgate, and the horn. You have your memory seats. You have your side step here. Second row, see the second row here. This is actually an 8-passenger seating. Here you have your outlet for normal outlets. You have another 12 volt here, USB A, USB C, USB A, your vent control. Going at the back here, third row. This is your third row. So I'm 5.5, so I have a nice room here, very, very cozy. You have your lights here, your lights. Going out, very easy, it's very big car. Your badging here, Wagoneer. You have your camera here. Opening the hood, I think it's this one. Oh, it's locked. Opening the hood is this. It's a manual, but power. Manual, but power. Lift gate. Hold to reset. Speakers here. You have your holder for your groceries. This is a manual, so you can just push this or fold. Push to fold. No. 12 volt DC here again. Your compartment or you have a nice storage here. There's running boards on top. This is where you get your tires, so you have to press here, pull, then you get your jack there. Some hooks in here, both sides. There's no power on, but I will use this to the lift gate. And automatically off. Alright. The mirrors, there's the power mirrors. The badging here, Wagoneer. These are your tires, 275, 55, 20 inch tire. So I paid 1,200 for this one. So I have a deposit of 300. And then they're gonna give me the open the hood. Open the hood. There's something here. So in the middle, press. Under the hood, I think it's a twin turbo, twin turbo V6 engine. It's not washed, it's not clean. Then you have your Wagoneer here, badging from America, born in America. I think this is from Michigan. So close it. So there you go, guys, my review of the Wagoneer from Alamo here in Manitoba. So we're excited for a trip in Alberta. We're going for Calgary, Canmore, and Banff. gonna be rainy weather there, so hopefully to see you guys. So thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. Please share, subscribe. I'm gonna put a link in the description on where did I got this booking reservation for this rental car. By the way, this is the gas. Doesn't require premium gas, but it's a capless gas. So tail lights. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye. gonna review regarding this Wagoneer that I rented from Costco in Winnipeg. This is a 2024. They said 2024 Wagoneer L twin turbo. I had an issue because they gave me this vehicle at 49% oil life. I'm right now here at Cal Tire at Edmonton Trail. Cal Tire at Edmonton Trail. I need to oil change because we have been into many places here in Alberta, like Canmore, Banff. So anyway, oil life or oil change has been done. Oil change has been done. The only problem is when I drove this car, this rear tire has a low pressure and they said it's worn out. They said it's worn out, but yeah, I think it's still good. But they said it's worn out. So yeah, for me, I think it's still good. But they're going to replace it. I have to go back here at 2 p.m. So they're gonna replace the whole both rear tires. Yeah, but anyways, hassle for us because we're stuck in Holiday Inn and we've been experiencing this bad weather here in Calgary. So we're trying to go to the Calgary Zoo, but I think we're not going to be able to make it because of the weather. So anyway, guys, this is just an update. I'm going to start the car. Inside the vehicle. It's been raining like this here in Calgary, so it's been oil change. So it's been oil change, vehicle info. What you need to do is just on this side of the steering wheel, you can adjust the or you can see all the vehicle info. Like if I do this arrow, so it will change. It's your trip, number 4. Number 5 is navigation. Number 6 is off-road. 7 is audio. 8 is messages. So we'll just go to vehicle info. Currently, you see here the front tire is at 40. The second front on the right is 39 psi. The rear is 39. The other one's 38. So it's okay now. It's tire pressure. If you want to go to the details, just press this or this. So I'll just go this way. Stop start. Not ready. And then this is your fuel economy. I've been getting 12.4 average because I'm here in the city, driving in the city. This is the current kilometer. I got it for 45,000 kilometers. Now it's 48,581 since driving from Winnipeg to Calgary, to Canmore and Banff, and then to Jasper. This is your temperature. Everything's good. Oil pressure, oil temp. Okay, this is the main part. The oil life is at 100%. And I got this car from rental, Alamo, Costco Travel, in Winnipeg Airport at 49% oil life. So now it has been changed. I can either so I have to go back here at Cal Tire. I have to go back here at 2 p.m. to be able to replace both tires just to be safe. So oil life has been changed to 100%. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna give you an update next time on how the controls are being done here, or how to navigate their controls. So like this, for example, vehicle, your media. Mine is setup here. So I have my CarPlay here. If I go home, that's my CarPlay. Everything. It's a little bit not responsive, but it's okay. Then I have the comfort here, controls, front defrost, your front and your underneath for your feet, your controls for your heat. You can see there, you can control also here. And then your steering wheel. And then this one comes with the cool seats. So depending on the zone, there, cool seats. And then your heated seats, steering wheel, that's the heated steering wheel. So everything is there. Rear, there's no climate for control for rear. Apps, that's your apps in there. The navigation, I think this is just a basic one, so there's no navigation, but since probably this is Apple CarPlay, I think I'm just gonna use the Apple CarPlay. So yeah, I'm gonna give a detailed review of this settings, especially this part of vehicle settings. You can see your language there, display mode, brightness, themes. I'm on dark mode. I like the dark mode. Units to change your speed. When I picked up this car, it was on MPH, so I suggest highly to convert it to kilometers hour, because here in Canada we're using kilometers hour for our speed. Yeah, so tire pressure, PSI. So yeah, so anyway guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video regarding the controls for this 24 round. Hey guys, so just an update on the rental car, the Wagoneer that we got from Alamo, Costco, Canada. I'm here. I brought it here at Caltire in one of their locations here in Calgary. Earlier, like I mentioned, it was oil change. I did the oil change and I checked how the Wagoneer is, how to check the oil change. But the thing is that there is no such thing as oil dip on this Wagoneer. So now what I'm going to do is, they said they changed, they have to replace the rear tires, because earlier the rear tires was before I left for Holiday Inn in Winnipeg, here in Calgary, the rear tires was having a tire pressure issue, and I mentioned to them, and good thing they were able to fix. Kudos to those guys in Caltire here in Calgary. And yeah, they replaced both tires. This is, as you can see, it's totally brand new. You can still see the markers in there. There's no tread here, but this is definitely brand new. So this one's 275/55 R20. So thickness is 11.3T, and this is a Road Radiant XTX RH5. I don't know which brand it is. The max load is 1150. As you will know, that this vehicle is around 6,000 pounds. So they did a great job. This is the front tire. But front tire, I don't have any issues with the front tire. I don't have any issues on the front tire, but they said the rear. So yeah, so they replaced both. So kudos to those guys from Cal Tire. They really did a great job. Kudos to Cal Tire. Enterprise, I did not pay for anything for this because the manager, which is Ed, who gave me support, Ed from Winnipeg Enterprise, told me that they will be billed automatically, and Cal Tire will build automatically, so I don't need to pay, and I did not pay everything, and they gave me this is the key for this Wagoneer rental car. So yeah, so everything's good. We're going now, and yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and hope you get in the next video. Hey guys, so it's the time again that I have to return this rental car. As mentioned, this car is from Enterprise Alamo. I got it from Prosco Travel. I'm just picking up all my stuffs in here, checking everything if I forgot anything. So yeah, it's been a nice car. I love the engine, the revving of the engine, and it's been such a pleasure of uh, dealing with them. Ed was a very, very nice person, the manager of Enterprise here in Winnipeg Airport. And yeah, I'm just checking anything if I forgot something. Just making sure that we did not left anything here. The back, everything's good. Here on the sides. Nothing here at the back. So, just gonna lose the lift gate. The engine is so nice. It's a 2024 Wagoneer. This is a navy blue. It's been so much fun, guys. So yeah, so everything's good. All my stops, especially this side. I'm gonna check. Yeah, it's totally empty. Nothing there. Here. Yeah, so this is my review. I'm gonna upload everything here from Alamo. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna make a review of this car. Thank you. Have a good day. Hey guys, so as mentioned with one of the Alamo Enterprise agent, this car, I will just have to return the key, and how to return it here in National Enterprise Alamo in Winnipeg International Airport. Just gonna put it here, so gonna put my stuff, and then this one, the Wagoneer, which is that one. I'm just gonna key, envelope drop. So just drop the key here, open like that, and then just drop it like this. And there you have it. So that's my full review of the this Alamo Enterprise Jeep Wagoneer 2024 Jeep Wagoneer. Thanks so much again, guys, and hope to see you in this video.